So let's say you got a 5-pound spool of solder like this. It's not really very easy to use. When you want to solder something, you don't really want to carry around the spool. So maybe you go cut off a foot or something, but then you got a foot of solder laying around. So let's say instead of that, you take and cut off maybe 3 feet. And you take that 3 feet and you wind it around an ordinary wood pencil. So you just start wrapping it around. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And when you get close to the end, you want to leave a few inches here. Okay, and you just take it off the pencil, and you take that loose end, and you feed it right back through the center here. So feed it through, it comes out the other end. And now what you got is a little self-dispensing solder. It insulates things from the heat when you're soldering because you're holding on to not the solder directly. And when you start using it, it gets a little low. All you do is you pull on it and it unspools from the back. Very handy. I'm also going to leave a link to a historical video about where this spool of solder came from. It's very interesting.